Hello, welcome to TechShimmet. In this session, we will learn about one more built-in function, that is len, or length built-in function. So for the same, here I have created one program. So let's go through that program. So as usual, we are again writing the code in fully free format. So for that, what we need to do, we have to press Shift F7, and then on the very first position, you have to write this asterisk asterisk free. So here I have written it. So after that line, whatever I will write, it will be considered as a fully free format. So this is my comment line. And here what I'm setting some control options, which is start no debug IO and src stmt. So this is mainly for the debugging purpose, and usually I keep this line in each and every program of my uh, source. Now below to that, on line number 12, we have declared some variables. So if you observe carefully, then there are three types of character variable and two type of numeric variable. Like first one is str1, str2, str3, which we will use to hold the character values, and and these all are of different length. Similarly, we have one more variable which is of numeric type, length 4, and one output variable that we will use to store the output. Now after line number 20, we are assigning some values to these variable. So in str1, I have assigned the rpgle. Similarly, str2, we have assigned texture myth, and in str3, we are assigning one text as a programming. Now on line number 25, we are assigning some numeric value. So I have assigned it as a 445. Now now we will discuss about the percentage length function. So the syntax is quite simple. Like you have to just use percentage len, and then you can put the expression or the variable that for which you want to find out the length. Okay, so you can consider it as a variable. Now on line number 31, I'm using percentage len on str1. So what it will do, it will check the actual length of the str1, and return its length to the output variable, and after that we are just displaying it. Similarly, we are calculating the length for str2 and str3, and after we got the output in a variable, then we are displaying it. And here on line number 43, I am using percentage length, but this time we are using it for numeric variable, just to check whether it works with numeric variable also or not. And below to that, we are just displaying the output. And on line number 47, we are using star inlr equals to star on. It means here our program will get ended. So these are the simple steps that you need to take uh, for understanding the concept of a percentage length build function. So now we will compile it and call it. So it returns first for the length of first str1 is 30, then 20, then 10, and numeric variable length is 4. Okay, so that's how we can use a length function. So basically we discuss what is length function. So let length function is a function that returns the length of the particular variable. So if we pass any input parameter to the length function, then it will return out the actual length of that variable. So if there is any requirement where we need to calculate the length of particular variable, then in that case we can use percentage len function. So yeah, that's it for this session. In the upcoming session, we will discuss a few other topics. So thank you for watching Tech Share.